Hey everybody, Bowling Fool here. We're up in Reno at High Sierra Bowl. We haven't bowled at this place yet. We're gonna check this place out. I believe it's maybe a 25-lane alley. And we're gonna roll the 14-pound crusher in here. We'll see how it goes. So here's the exterior of the High Sierra Lanes Bowl up here in Reno. Let me know if you guys have been here, if you are a local up here in Reno and you bowl at this alley. It's got pretty good vibes. It looks like it's a small mom and pop bowling alley. One of the few left in Reno. It's got old school signage and all that, so pretty cool. I've got the 14-pound crusher. This is the first 14-pound ball that I've ever rolled. So we're gonna see how this goes. This was D-Lo's old ball that I plugged up. If you watch my other videos, I plugged this up. Put a layout on there. I'll put the layout on the screen for you, and we'll see how this bad boy goes. I'm very curious to see how a 14-pound will work for me. All right, we are standing on 25. So let me know what pound ball you guys roll with. I got a 16-pound crusher, and I have a 14, so I may try out a 15 too as well. They're on sale right now, buddies, for like $100. I got the 16-pound for $70. All right. Definitely a lot lighter than the 15. I've been rolling 15s as long as back as I can remember. When I was a teenager, I rolled a 12. But when I started bowling again in my 20s, I went right to a 15. So it's definitely a lot lighter. And I'm doing a different layout, so it seems to be working. So if you watch my other videos, this is the ball that I plugged up, sanded down, and I brought it back to factory specs. No, I did not use the Brunswick compound, but I used a polish. Standing on 25 again. There we go. So I didn't realize this alley is on strings. I don't know when this alley went on strings, but it's got the Cubica AMF strings. And where I bowl out of Napa, I don't know the exact name of the brand of the strings, but it's not Cubica. So I know Brunswick makes them, I know Cubica makes them. And we have, the one in Napa is the one that's made out in Europe. And they just had a league here this morning too, so we're kind of bowling. A little bit of oil left out there. Post-league lane conditions, staying on 25. There we go. Hitting pretty good. So the 14 still has some striking power. I can tell you it's definitely easy to swing. I was afraid with the 14 I'd go a little bit fast, but I've been controlling my swing lately. All right, once again, standing 25, just ahead of the dots. Boom, strike machine. I told the wife if I really like 14, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to buy all new 14-pound balls. I don't think I do that. I think I have like 35 balls. I'm not replacing all of them with 14s, but it is nice to kind of try the different weights and see how they react. And a killer deal too. So I just may get the 15. Come back. There we go. Once again, 25 ahead of the dot. Oh, damn 10 pin. Come on, baby. Boom. I do like the MC Escher style artwork on the backdrop. It's pretty cool looking. Like I said, if you guys know the history of this alley, leave it down in the comments. If this is your normal bowling alley, let me know down in the comments. It's got some pretty cool vibes here. Oh, there we go. Little messenger action on the 5-pin. Get it. Oh. See if we can't finish strong with 3 in a row here. There we go. Not the prettiest, but it'll do. It seems to be hitting pretty good. And these are on strings too, so when you're bowling on strings, you have to hit the pocket just right. It's not as forgiving as free fall. Stand at 25 again. No! Of course, I leave a split at the very end. I'm going for it. Nope. Ah. Oh well. Crappy last frame, but 226. Kind of curious to see what other kind of games I'll get with this thing. Once again, 14-pound crusher. And let me know if you guys have a 14-pound ball or if you have the crusher. And if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give me a like, comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.